So area. So in this video I will teach you this concept. First to understand this, first to take I will take a closed figure. For example, I will take a rectangle. So this is the rectangle. I will take a mark as A, B, C and D. It has four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four corners. So the corners I marked with letters. This corner A, this corner as B, this corner as C and this corner as D. Now I am saying this is a closed figure. I will write here. Closed figure. Closed figure means what? It is completely closed. For example, so here is a open here. If I erase here is a open. Here also open. See? Here also open. So here open is there. I mean from outside something can go inside. Okay? Like that. This is when I erase this, so there is a open. Some space is there. See, this line is not continuous. Here some break is there, some open is there. Here also open is there. Here also open is there. Okay. So if opens are there, then it is open figure. But when I draw like this, there is no open. See, it is covered by a line. Here I will draw like this. Now no open. It is closed. Just like how gate is closed, like that. So here if I draw like this, first here open is there. Now no open. It is closed. Like we will close the door, right? Or gate at the house. So now it is closed. Now you can see there are no any opens. Check from here. No. 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 There are no opens. It is closed completely like this. See? Closed. Completely closed. There are no opens. So that's why it is called closed figure. You got it? This area concept applies to closed figure. Closed figures only. Remember. Now consider the region inside. This is region, right? This is the boundary. These lines I have drawn, right? That lines are called boundary. Whatever is there inside this boundary, this is region. I will share the region now with chalk piece. See. Right? See, just now I shaded the region. This shaded part is there, no? This shaded part, that is the region. How much is shaded? Amount. So I just now I shaded. How much I shaded? What is the amount of shaded region? Okay. So that is the area. So now definition for area is the amount of the region. Amount of region means how much the region is shaded. Okay. That is called amount of region. So amount of region, how much the region is shaded, both are same. So amount of the region enclosed by the, enclosed means, so these are the boundary lines. So within that boundaries, this shaded part is there. So enclosed by the closed figure. Okay. So this amount of region enclosed by the closed figure, so is called the area. Now whatever I have shaded now, this is the area. Okay, that is the area. Now for example, how to find area. So for this is the rectangle, right? Rectangle means you go like this, four corners will be there. So this is length. AB is the length. See, from here to here, this is from point A to point B. This is length. Okay, and this one from point A to point D. This one. This is width. Okay, width. This is width. Okay. So four corners and it is a closed figure. There are no opens and it has length and width. So this is a rectangle. Okay. So this figure is called the rectangle. Now how to find the area of the rectangle? So for area of the rectangle I will take A. Okay. So A is the area of this rectangle. So there is a formula for this. For example, I said this is length. For example, they have given 4 meter. Length is 4 meter and this width is 5 meter. For example, just assume they have given like this. Length is 4 meter and this width is 5 meter. Now how to find the area? We have to use the formula. So A is the area of this rectangle. The formula is length into length into width. width, width, length, length. Now we have to substitute the values. Length, what is length? They have given 4 meter. 4 meter and into this meter we can write after the final answer. Just now I will just erase. Just write the number 4 meter and width is how much? 5 meter. This width is 5 meter. I will write 5. Now 4 into 5, that means multiplication. So 4 into 5, 4 5 is how much? 20. 4 5 is 20. So this is A. A is equal to 20. Now we should not leave here only. We have to write the unit here. Unit means like meter, centimeter or meter square, like that. That unit you have to measure after the answer here. Should not leave here only. Okay. So what is the unit? First see. What is the unit here given for length? This is meter. For width the unit is what? Meter. That meter you write first. Okay. That meter you have to write first. Since this is the area. See, for length and width we will just write meter only. But when it comes to area, you have to write this meter, then you have to write square, like meter square. Okay. So this is the unit. Area A is equal to 20 meter square, not just meter. This is very important. If the lengths and widths are in centimeter, that time it will become centimeter square. Okay, this unit also important. Meter square we can also write as 20 square meter. Okay, we can write 20 meter square or you can write 20 square meter. Both are same. Okay, that's okay. Now this is the answer. Okay, thank you. Click on subscribe.